We just finished the segment in the studio with Rachael. Now we're backstage. What's your name?
I'm Lynn.
Lynn. Okay,
Yes.
so tell us about your chair.
This is the Papa chair. This was my grandfather's chair, and now it's in my house. And I'm kind of wanting a little bit more of a modern look that might match something.
The bloom rose was a moment.
Yes,
But it is
really
past.
was.
It is
really
past.
was.
It's
Yeah.
had its day.
Yeah. Well, I actually think that the silhouette of the chair is really beautiful.
Me
I
too.
love the lines. I think that the wood just needs to be stripped. So if you stripped it down and just had it kind of feel unfinished with a wax finish on it, it's going to really kind of highlight all of these details.
You know, initially when I was standing here, I thought maybe this would be beautiful in like a very fine ticking stripe, but you kind of can't go wrong with just a very beautiful light linen. You know, something with some texture and some heft. When it's got a wood frame like this one does, you want to do something that's a little bit heavier because the seams have to stay straight. So, but something like this in a neutral would be beautiful.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice
My
to meet
pleasure.
you as well.
The
Thank you, guys.
consolation consultation
Awesome.
number 1.
No chair left behind.
Well, tell us the story about this chair, Jake.
So I'm a dresser on Broadway, so I like things theatrical. So I went to a thrift store 2 weeks ago.
Cool.
And I just wanted like a cool accent chair for my apartment.
Yeah.
And I found this mini throne, and I have more of a beach style home.
Okay.
So I'm not really sure what to do with it.
Well, I think the finish is great. I think the velvet is a little bit shiny.
It'd be pretty to see this in like a high gloss white with a pattern on it. It'd be
Yeah,
really
that's
handsome.
true. It would change the entire look of this if you actually did something with like a bold black and white pattern on a neutral ground, and maybe doing a stripe on the back, like a fine herringbone stripe, or even men's suiting would be really handsome. And then the front you could do plain.
It's like a
Jewel
chair
tone.
mullet. There's like a party in the back
Right? Yeah.
and business in the front.
Exactly. That's what I was getting at. A chair mullet.